and welcome back to another video. This one's on me really. I totally forgot to film an intro to the video, so I thought, you know what, let's do a voiceover. So we're getting on to the later stages of the actual car now. I've done all the wiring inside, so all the wires that I know I need are currently done inside, and so now it's basically just removing the engine. The bumpers, lights, grille, everything's already been sold. They were sold a while ago. So now basically what I'm going to do is just remove this engine, and it was quite simple to remove, no major issues. But one thing I should have done, and looking back at it now, should have labelled more stuff up. Yeah, a lot of the labels fell off, you know, obviously because of the oil. But we learn, don't we? Learn as we progress on.
Got it.
Woo.
So at least the water's, the cooler's clean, isn't it? Look at that.
Yeah, it got all done, didn't it? So, but it is really leaking now. You can see how much oil's there.
Okay.
It's coming from the top.
Cylinder head.
It's coming from the gasket. Can you see how how perished it is there?
On there, isn't it?
Perished. But they're a bugger to sort out. Right. Sorted.
Cover gasket.
Yeah, that's rocket cover. Yeah.
Right. What have we got to do now then?
So.
You've got a screw in there.
Yeah, no, just there'll be loads of stuff down there. So, one thing that we did struggle with on this, this is before I bought the impact wrench, was the exhaust manifold. As if anyone's known to have done an exhaust removal, you'll know how hard it is to remove these. And yes, it was hard. We spent quite a while removing this. We tried first of all separating it from the block, and then we tried it from the actual manifold, and in the end, I think, if I remember rightly, we just separated it from the block and then removed it from, well, as you can see here, we're doing it from the actual manifold. So a lot of the time on this really was trying to remove these bolts, and I think we actually left a bolt in. Yeah, so that's on us really. So right, so yeah, so this, as you can see from the time lapse as well, we're struggling with getting this off here, the manifold. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4th bolt's quite stuck, being silly buggers. Yeah, yeah, it's looking alright. Yeah, so I will give it a bit of a clean out at some point. Yeah, it is very oily. But it is what it is really. All wires here are getting sorted. All the wires are getting sorted. I think I do need to get some gloves, which will help. It should just be a vacuum right there. Yeah. So if it goes all wrong, we know to blame this twice. Yeah. Okay. So there was an earth strap connected to that, to the body, to the engine. Yeah, it's fine, I can talk through this. So, watch you break it now. Hang on, let me just take because there might be a colour difference.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Right, and then it's are they even remotely? So they're not even remotely.
No, they're nowhere near.
Not even remotely. Right, so we've removed pretty much everything from the wiring loom now to the cables, and we've just started to undo all these bolts. We're going to remove it one by one. We're just going to have to now just remove these so we can lift it all up. Plan is to go under the car, undo this gearbox links, undo the drive shafts. Yeah, shit, yeah. Right, okay, so with jack, as you can see, right, so all the wiring's out now, as you can see. It's almost there now, it's just getting there slowly. It's quite a nice day. So yeah, there's just a few other bits I need to take, like I said. I'm not sure if I need the drive shafts, but I'm going to take them just in case. I think they're always going to be good to have. I'm going to take this as well. The shifter bracket. Reason being is I might use it. I might try and use this because this one just feels smoother than it just feels smoother than the rod. But that's another thing I just need to figure it out. Yeah. Right. So that won't be done until next week though, because I don't have the required part. I don't have the required part for it. Right. Yeah, that's it, pretty much. There's the engine out. What I'm going to do now is strip all that wire down sooner or later. But yeah, that's done. So I think I'll call it on that one. So I just want to say I appreciate you stopping by, watching, and all the rest of that jazz. Yeah, again, thank you very much. Bye bye.